Take the third exit onto Aerodrome
Not
Way.
that way. So it'll just pull out on it and go, that's fine.
He's probably thinking tourists.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto M1 towards the north.
I have a feeling.
He could have gone
Yeah, I have a feeling I should have been in that lane, but they left, don't they? I should be in that lane, shouldn't I? Or maybe I shouldn't be in the
there. No, you should have been in that lane.
Those two.
Those two.
We're in the wrong lane then? You were in completely the wrong lane, mate.
Next few clips are going to be lane hoggers. Here we have one hogging lane 2, which gets overtaken and undertaken, followed by a clip which has been sped up by 5 times, and you can just see how many lane hoggers there are on the M25 at around midnight.
Why have you gone out into that 4th lane?
Not much with this one. I just feel like it's a bit of a close pass when it's a virtually clear road. More lane hoggers here. These ones cause some problems. So we've got these 3 cars even, in lane 3. We now have a van approaching, and as they do, one of the cars moves over to the left, and that's where the van wants to go.
He pressed the wrong button. Oh look, did you do the roundabout wrong, did you? Oh, I'm sorry, did you do the roundabout wrong? You want me to get out of the way because you did the roundabout wrong? I hate people going in the second lane for that roundabout. Sorry, am I in your way again, am I? Oh, I think I need to accidentally slow down now. Oh no, am I going really slowly over? Oh, see, now you want to come over now. Oh, it's the idiot. Oh my god. No, in the second lane, oh, I indicate back over again because there's another car. Oh, they got one car ahead. Oh, look. Oh, hello.
No. You want that late? Oh no, you don't. That's
no,
fine.
I want this lane for the thing, don't I? He's going to come past the guys again. Fucking hell.
You see these three cars ahead of us? None of these three cars are in the correct lane. Just see what happens.
That was a bit of a late call. For the wet shop. Being in that second lane and then decide, oh, actually, I want to go there.
This car ahead indicates so early that I start to grow a big gap thinking that they're going to go into a lay-by. But they don't. They take the exit after. So they indicated way too early, which now allows the silver car to nip in front. We're watching the Audi behind, but they're not behind for much longer because they are very impatient.
Audi. They went into the live lane there just to go instead of waiting until this bit. Ridiculous.